Welcome to my channel. In this video we will install very powerful professional integrated development environment, IDE for short. This IDE is a great choice for Java development, web development, Golang development and so on. I'm talking about IntelliJ IDEA from JetBrains company. The IDE has two versions. Community Edition and Ultimate one. I worked with both ones and can say that the community version is good choice both for professionals and beginners. It is also free. The Ultimate version has benefits for web and enterprise development, but it is not free. In this video we will install Community Edition version, but note that Ultimate version installation process is almost the same. In order to install the IDE and run it, you don't need Java Development Kit, but for Java application development, you need to install JDK or at least have correctly installed JDK on your machine. If you don't have JDK, you can check my very short 3 minutes video about how to install JDK easily without any manual environment variables configuration. See the link above or under this video in the description. We will also install the latest version of this IDE. Right now it is 2021.2. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel in order not to miss new useful videos about programming. Let's begin. In your favorite browser type IntelliJ IDEA download. I will also add the link under this video. Okay, click the link. Here you can check the system requirements before the installation. We will install the IDE on Windows, but you can choose IDE for Mac OS or Linux. Click Download button. Wait while it is downloading. Click the X file. Click Next. Select destination folder or leave it as is. Check that you have enough disk space for installation. Click Next. You can create a shortcut if you need it. You can also associate file extensions with the IntelliJ IDE. It means that it will open such files in the IDE. Click Next. This is a Start menu folder name. You can click Install. Installation started. Done. Click Run checkbox, then click Finish. If you don't have previously installed IntelliJ IDE, you can just click OK, otherwise there will be listed installed versions that you can delete or leave as is. Okay, we are almost done. On this welcome screen we can customize color theme. I prefer the dark one. You can change the theme, font and other settings later too. The IDE also have useful resources in Learn section. Okay, in the Project tab you can create new project, open existing one or check out your code from version control system. For instance, if we choose New Project, then for Java project you can select your Java SDK and then start Java project creation. For now we done. See you in my next videos. Subscribe to my channel to not to miss new videos. Press like if you like the video